opponents. He's got huge power.
Oh, the big cut!
ဘယ်လောက်ထိ head kick ကကြောက်စရာကောင်းတယ်လဲဆိုတာကြည့်ရအောင် How brutal and scary head kick. Let's watch the highlight.
Training because he was overweight, but they own a bakery. That's what a baseball bat sounds like, kids. That's what
Here, what we see is Pandoja is like he tried to knock him out within a few minutes or within one round, the first round. He came like a storm. His force is like a storm, but he can't Van defend it, and he puts him out, and it is what happened. So how dangerous head kick it? Now we see. Head kick ကဘယ်လောက်ထိကြောက်စရာကောင်းလဲဆိုတာကျွန်တော်တို့တွေ့ရတယ်။ Van ကသူကခုခံနိုင်လို့လေမခုခံနိုင်ရင်တော့သူရှုံးနိုင်တယ်လေ If Van cannot defend and strong enough, he may be fallen and he may be knocked out. But Van, he can defend it. He did it. That's why he win the fight.